Introducing Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15.6 inches FHD thin and light laptop in Arctic Grey. It comes in a size of 35.9 into 23.7 into 2 centimeters and weighs 1.65 kgs. This laptop has a 5th gen AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor and comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home and MS Office Home and Student 2021. It comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM that is upgradable to 12GB and a 512GB SSD storage. The laptop is powered with a rapid charge lithium polymer battery and 7 hours battery life. It comes with a 15.6 inches IPS anti-glare narrow bezel display with FHD resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels and a brightness of 250 nits. Enjoy stereo surround sound with two 1.5-watt speakers in HD Dolby Audio. It has a built-in 720p camera with privacy shutter and fixed focus and comes with an integrated dual-array microphone and a backlit keyboard. It is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and equipped with one USB 2.0 port, two USB 3.0 ports and one HDMI port. The box contains the laptop, user manual and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.